block in our Mercantile Sampler Quilt Along. This is the Churn Dash block. It's very simple. All right, so let's get started. Now, if you would also like to make this quilt, it's a sew along, you can go to beinmybonnetco.blogspot.com. It's Lori Holt's website. And as you can see here, I have my layer cake. I have a fat quarter bundle. I have my background fabric. I have my 12-inch circle. We're going to be tracing that 12-inch circle on our interfacing, so you will also need interfacing. This is our block layout guide. So as you can see, each of our fabrics is labeled with a letter, and then our sashing is labeled also. This is our cutting instructions. So as you can see on A and C, Lori wants us to cut 4.5-inch squares out of our background fabric, and then 4.5-inch squares out of our printed fabric. Now, what you're going to do with those is make half square triangles. So to avoid waste of fabric, I did mine different. I cut, instead of 4 A's and 4 C's, I cut 2 A's and 2 C's. What I did is I cut two blocks at 5 inches each, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line on the back of my fabric from corner to corner, and then I'm going to stitch 1/4 inch on each side and get 2 half square triangles out of each pairing. It sounds a little confusing, but just watch the video and you'll understand. This will save you a lot of fabric and some waste. We don't like to waste our beautiful fabrics, do we, ladies? No, we don't. So here is all of our fabrics cut for our block as listed on the cutting instructions. As you can see, I have 2 5-inch printed in the red and then 2 5-inch of the background squares. Okay, so remember, she wants you to do 4 backgrounds and 4 printed of 4.5 inches. But if you want to save on fabric, you can do it like I did and make them 5 inches and then draw your line on the back and then have half square triangles, okay? And then as far as the rest of the block, all we have is some squares that we're going to cut at 2.5 inches. And then we have our sashing. It's a very simple block to make and really fast, okay? So let's get started, guys. So the next step in our block is to make our background fabric. So what we need is 4 8-inch squares that we're going to sew together and make a big giant 4 patch. I used just scrap fabrics that I had and I cut them into 8-inch squares. So let's do that now.
Like and subscribe to Grandma's channel. Like and subscribe to Grandma's channel.